In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a donation form to your Squarespace website. For charities, nonprofits, and even personal projects that rely on community support, a donation form can be an invaluable tool. And the good news is, it's quick and easy to set up. Let's dive in. Start by logging into your Squarespace account. Head to the homepage, click on Login, and for a faster experience, choose Continue with Google if your account is connected. Once inside, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, click on the website where you want to add the donation form. Next, click on Edit to open your site's editing mode. This is where you can change layouts, add new sections, and customize your pages. Now, hover over the area of the page where you'd like your form to appear and click Add Block. Squarespace will show you a menu of options, scroll through, and select Donation. This instantly adds a pre-built donation form to your site, designed to work without any coding. To customize the form, click on the pencil icon that appears. In the design settings, you'll be able to adjust fonts, colors, and layout so the form matches your site's branding. Take some time here to make it visually appealing and consistent with the rest of your site. For the best user experience, consider adding suggested donation amounts or a short message explaining how contributions will be used. A clean, simple design paired with a clear purpose encourages more visitors to follow through with their donation. Once everything looks right, preview your site to test how the form works, and then click Save. Always make sure the donation process runs smoothly before going live. And that's it. You've just added a fully functional donation form to your Squarespace website. Now your supporters can contribute directly, making it easier than ever to gather the funds you need. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helps you expand your Squarespace site's capabilities. Be sure to check out my other videos for more simple guides like this one.